Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Discord servers that are like this one, the chill gaming zone, with all the emojis and everything, pretty active chats, but I won't be focusing on how to get active chats. Another example is the streets. It's kind of dead now. It used to be good, but now it's not really. You can check right here. All the bots, how to get the verification, everything. I'm not gonna show you how to use the bots, but I'm gonna show you how to make it look pretty nice. Alright, so the first thing I do when I'm looking to make a server, I find out what do you want the server to be about. So a lot of people want the server to be a gaming server, so you'll have a lot of voice chats or a lot of gaming chats. Let me go to one. You'll have a lot of these types of things. You want it to be for an influencer. You'll want to have streaming rooms and a ton of room for people to talk to each other, and announcements for when you're uploading or whatever you're doing. Or do you want it to be a team? You're gonna want to have talk for what it is, for what the game is, and you're gonna want to have announcements. Or say you want it to be for Instagram. Also promoting your YouTube channel. Here's another one for promoting YouTube channel. You can advertise itself. It's also for Instagram pages. So yeah, here's one. So now I'm going to show you how to make them. So first, of course, you guys all know this probably, but you're going to want to go to add a server and create a server. Name whatever you want. I'm just going to name it the best server. Maybe if I could type. Alright, the best server. So you're going to start out with this in general, and you're going to work from there. So first, normally what I do is I just start out with roles. So I go to roles, and I make some pretty simple ones. So first I have owner, of course. Save. I'll have admin. I'll have mod or moderator. I'll have helper or staff, whatever you want. This all applies to what I do. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. You can have you're gonna want to have YouTube, I guess, if you want. Everyone with over like say 1K for your small one. You're gonna want to have, of course, member, all the basic stuff, you know, and you can add more. Over at Chill Gaming Zone, we have all of these roles. So we have friend roles for people that are friends, server boosters, of course, noobs or just normal people, and then all the levels for me 6 or whatever you're using, Arcane. I normally use Arcane Bot because it's just a lot better in my opinion. You're also gonna want to have maybe executive owners. Maybe this, you don't always need to have executive owner, but I like to, so I'll add that. Executive owner. And of course you also want to have your bots. And the way I do this is I just do it as I'm going. So I'm gonna put bots maybe like right here, and I should sell things. Now I'm gonna have levels. So level 100 down all the way down to 5. You can do it however you want to go. You can buy the 20s. Whatever. I'm just gonna skip this part. Alright, now that you have your rules, you're also gonna want to have some things kind of set up. So it'll get moved around a lot, but you gotta want to fix that. And now you're gonna want to add colors. So colors, you can do whatever color you want. Now we have black as the owner. Executive owner. Let's go with red. Admin, I normally do this pink right here. Moderator is normally blue for me. And this is all preference. Helper is I've never really had a helper, but I'm gonna green. bots, I always do the default, or like gray. YouTube is of course red. Executive owner, now that YouTube's red, I'm gonna actually put it different. I'm gonna do yellow. Remember to save the changes. And then this is always fun to do. You can make it like kind of go down or up. So I make it dark. And then I do this so it like gradually gets lighter. As you can see, I just finished it. It looks like it's gradually getting lighter. Member, I don't know, that depends on your opinion. I'm just gonna do orange. Now that you have your basic roles, you're gonna wanna make the perms. So first I do owner, display role, administrator of course. Executive owner also should have administrator, admin as well. Now moderator, that's different. So I normally do view audit log, kick, and manage nicknames, manage emojis, webhooks, send text to speech, manage messages, all of the good ones. Mute, deafen, move, priority speaker. That's all I need really. Helper doesn't need anything special, but you should be able to display their role. Bots, I also like to have display role member separately so you can see all the bots. So people that join can see all the bots that you have. And YouTube rank also. YouTube rank could have like a special perk or whatever. Member, you don't need to make that display separately, so you can just have that normal. Now that you're done with your roles, you're gonna want to head over to these text channels, and in the text channels you're gonna want to add, of course, bot commands, right? Okay. And normally when it comes to this, I look at all the other servers that I've made previously, or all the servers that I'm in. Server suggestions, you always want to have server suggestions, gaming, memes, school, etc. You don't really need all this, but it's fun to have. So I'm just gonna put server suggestions, gaming, memes, and counting. Now that you have all your stuff, you also want to have a information. So make a channel. Oh, not a channel. You make a category. And you head it over here. Make it called important. Create. Put it at the top normally. That's what I like to do. And you're gonna want to put announcements, rules, whatever else you want to be important. So say you're making a YouTube channel, you want to put like uploads. Alright, so uploads. Of course I'm going to take that out. Anything else you think is important, so maybe server partners, help desk. I like to do a help desk, that's really fun to do. It adds to a lot. Self roles, if you're going to do self roles, and apply for staff. So you don't always have to have that though. Alright, so I'm just going to stick with announcement and rules. We're going to go on to voice channels. If you're a gaming server, then you're going to want to have a lot of voice channels. So let's go with voice channel. So you're going to want to make categories. So this is gaming voice chats. So voice channels, you're also going to want to have just general. Sometimes I like to have general. I like to add a general 2. So there's multiple. And you're also going to want to add how many people can be inside. Let's make the user limit 10. So that is 10. You're also going to add this one and make it 15. Now they can only have a certain amount of people inside. And in the game of voice chats, you're going to want to add all the popular games. So, Minecraft, of course, it's pretty popular. You're going to want to add Fortnite, of course, because people still play that game too. All the games that you think people would play in your server. So once you have all your game voice chats, you're also going to want to add some music. So go to category, call it music, and I suggest putting it here or under. I'm actually going to put it under. Now you're going to want to add first music commands. So music, actually, no, first you want to add music. And then I like to add a night, and I like to add a night club, which is always fun. And this one, you don't want people to talk, so you go to permissions, everyone, and no one can speak. Once you have all this, save it. And nightclub, everything should stay the same. So now that you have all your basic stuff, it's time to give yourself some roles first. Give yourself all the roles that you need, or that resemble what you can do. Now you're gonna add some bots. So I like to go to. So now you need bots, and with bots, you need to go to, I just go Discord bots, and it'll take you to top.gg, and there's Discord bot lists. This will happen, just checking your browser before accessing the URL, and you're going to find the best bots that you need. So once you have your bots, you're going to want to give them the bots role, and I forgot about this when we were making roles, but you also want to give bots administrator. All you gotta do is now is start inviting people. So what I like to do is get an invite link. So edit invite link, and I like to make it never and no limit. Generate new link, and I go to rules. And you're also want to add some rules, but you can make the rules whatever you want. So once you have your rules, you want to go there and invite people. So invite all your friends, family, whatever. Whoever wants to be in a server. And that's it. You start growing the server, make it your own, add whatever you want later on. This is just a brief tutorial on how to make a good Discord server that'll do well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.